the tournament. An award of 10 lakh takas, check and crest to be handed over by Mr. Asif Mohammed Shajib Bhuiya. Mehdi Hassan Miraj, 355 runs, 12 wickets. Miraj, if you collect, when you collect that check and crest, if you'd like to come across, please. Miraj, if you'd like to come across, please. Normal attire, no pressure of the game, but getting this award must be very, very proud feeling for you.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really happy, and definitely, if we play final, definitely more happy. Unfortunately, we didn't play, but it was an excellent match, the last match, and I think definitely we have to some luck favor our side. Definitely, we have to play the final.
Let's talk about your individual achievement, both with the bat and the ball, and you really led from the front. And you got a lot of players who gave you the support. That's why you came to the qualifiers.
Yeah, definitely. I think it was an excellent tournament, and the boys played really well. And I think it was an excellent tournament. The local players played really well, and I think if we play well this type of tournament, definitely we are playing well in the international cricket. Definitely hopeful upcoming ICC Champions Trophy, we're more confident everyone.
All right, and something about the crowd. All the teams had good support. So did your team.
Can I say Bangla something like that?
অবশ্যই।
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ যারা দর্শক আছেন, যারা আমাদের বিপিএল এ সাপোর্ট করেছেন, আমাদের টিমকে সাপোর্ট করেছেন এবং প্রত্যেকটা টিমকে সাপোর্ট করেছেন যারা খেলা দেখতে এসেছেন এবং টিভিতে যারা দেখেছেন এবং মাঠে এসে দেখেছেন, সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
ধন্যবাদ, অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ মেহেদী হাসান মিরাজ। ভবিষ্যতের জন্য অনেক অনেক শুভকামনা।
থ্যাংক ইউ